What is up, YouTube? Back in with another video. We got a Supreme Live Cop Week 5. Tasty collab, boys. Tasty collab. We got a Lacoste collab. Honestly, man, some nice pieces. Past couple weeks, dude. The last 2 weeks have been trash, honestly. There's only been like one thing or like nothing even worth going for. But this week, there's actually some good stuff, bro. This collection is nice. The Lacoste collab. It was good last year, dude. Nice pieces last year. This year, honestly, some fire pieces too, bro. The sweaters are cool. This cop car sweatshirt is cool too. I like that. I like the jacket they came out with last time too, but way too much, man. But for the most part, the whole collection is nice, dude. You got these nice hats, shorts, this jacket, the beanies, the little messenger bags, this jacket, the hats. My favorite is probably the polos though. The polos in like the green, it's so sick, bro. And then we got some other pieces. This is cool too. The God's favorite. This is cool. I like this, except for the back on the print. I don't really like that much. But for the most part, nice week. Honestly, dude. I'm gonna be going for the messenger bag though. The messenger bag seems like it'd be the best. In like the green, dude. The green with like the white is really nice, bro. These are probably gonna do well, hopefully, at least. Like the last year's bag, dude, it like skunked in the beginning and then just skyrocketed later. So hopefully it doesn't skunk right now. Skyrocket later. That's probably like the best thing, honestly. People really like the sweatshirt too, though. Should I go for the sweatshirt or the messenger bag, dude? Alright, guys, we only got one more minute. I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to get this fucking bag, bro. Ping pong paddle's still here. These things were so shit, dude. So fucking expensive, dude. Holy shit. I'm ready, though, boys. I'm ready for the comeback season right now. Let me know down in the comments what you guys went for or what you guys got. As always, I am ready, though. Hopefully the website doesn't fuck me, dude. No website lag or anything. Last few times, bro, they have been fucking terrible and it's been crazy website lag. Come on. Oh, man. Website lag already, bro. What? Where is everything, bro? Oh, it's already gone, dude. It's way too long. Yep. Fucking let me get the navy. The navy's cool too. Whatever color I can get, man. I'll take what I can get. Come on, please let me get the navy, bro. Please. What? No. Why you kicking me out, bro? No. Oh my gosh, dude. Come on, let me get something, bro. Let me get the black. Oh my god, it's still my fucking card, dude. This is fucking shit.
Everyday patches the night up. Oh god, you should match it. It's that KO.
It's really making me fucking remove it, dude. GG's in the chat, boys. GG's. Everything's gone. All the bags, man. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. They're all gone. The gold is fucking gross. Damn, bro. Straight fucking cooked again, man. I'm not cooked, but I got fucking cooked. Fuck, dude. Everything is gone. Holy shit. Even the cop car in the green? Why green, bro? Whatever, dude. Fuck, man. Holy shit. Cop car in the slime green, bro, is gone immediately for some reason. I don't know why everybody wants a green. What the hell? It's an ugly ass color. Holy shit, though, dude. Fucking wrecked on the bags, bro. Shit. What a fucking rookie mistake, bro. That was a shitty ass fucking drop, man. Damn. I missed them. I don't know if the website loaded earlier for me or not because I didn't fucking pay attention. Rookie mistake, dude. Fucking hell. But for me, dude, that's gonna do it. If anybody wants to send me this beanie or this messenger bag, send me it. Dude, the beanies are fucking sick. It's got like an embossed look to it. I know it's embroidered, but it looks like it's got an embossed look. No. Let me know if you guys tried going for anything or if you guys took now. You guys probably got something, bro. I just fucked up. I feel like this could have been an easy thing to get, but I just fucked up. Rookie mistakes, man. But let me know down below if you guys got anything. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys later.